All right, today we're going to bring a chandelier, and this is pretty much how you get it. It's in a small compressed box. Make sure you have your tester, electrical tester, prior to setting it up. Make sure everything's included. They include the screws. And of course, you're going to get 3 connections. You need to be aware. You got your ground, your hot, and your neutral. And first of all, before you get set up, you got to make sure you follow the instructions. Label, it's all very uniform, easy to set up. A, B, and C, you tie them up together. Make sure they do crossover. We're going to set this up and see how it looks. All right, so we're going to put this together. Black and black. I'm going to put one black here. And then we're going to save the last one for the main one. So got all black here. You guys can see that. And we're going to do the white one. Do the same one. So we're wiring the whole thing up. Makes it a lot easier. You could tuck it in here. And then, of course, just one cable. All right, here we go, guys. We set it up. We don't have light bulbs in there, but we're gonna come back and set this up. So I haven't turned on the lights here. They look beautiful. I put a 60 watts light bulbs in there. We're gonna turn on the light. So let's go ahead and turn on the light now. See how bright they are now. Beautiful lights. I have something similar in my kitchen, so I'm matching it now. So very simple to set up. I mean, all you have to do is tie them up and set them up.